Earn USDT. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about how you can earn some USDT in case you want to earn in a cryptocurrency, which is US dollar tether. Then we will talk about how we can do that in this video. Now, you have to change your mentality or the mindset as well on the internet because I'm not sure when you are looking to earn USDT, are you trying to earn USDT using something for free, like you are in your dreams and you think that, oh, let's go on the internet and type in earn USDT and free, and we will find something and we will start getting USDT into our wallet. If that's your mindset, then you're only wasting your time because you have time to waste, okay? But if you want to earn USDT with your skill, you might not have that skill right now, okay? But yes, it is definitely possible to earn USDT or money online with your skill, okay? Now, what a skill that could be? For me, you are looking at the screen where you can see some, proofs, payment proofs on daily basis, okay? So you can come to this page. I'll show you how you can come to this page in a moment, okay? So you scroll down, you can see there are n number of unlimited proofs as you can see on this page, okay? So 200, 1000, 240, 196, you can spend your own time on this page and you can check everything out, okay? And then you can see I have withdrawn US dollars and I have withdrawn in Binance as well, as you can see, okay? So when you are going to search for methods on the internet, earn USDT free or with your skill, make money online with some of your skill or just free, because if you are looking for something free, you are not doing anything online productive, okay? Because how can you make money online for free? Let's talk about it. Even if you don't invest any single penny, still if you find some work, then you are trading your time for that money, okay? For example, let's say you do some micro jobs online for 8 hours, and if you get paid like $2, $5 for 8 hours, do you think it's sensible? That's called free money, okay? You're gonna do some micro jobs for 8 hours a day, and in return you will get only $5. Do you think should you invest 8 hours for $5, or you can utilize that 8 hours of time to learn or grow a skill? That skill could be anything. That skill could be making a website for other people, doing freelancing, doing this, doing that. For example, I make YouTube videos when I am bored. Okay, I'm bored these days. I'm bored these days, so I'm back on YouTube. Okay, before the in between, I was doing forex trading. Okay, so how do you come to this page and how do you earn USDT using this method? So you can go below my YouTube video. The first link says make money on autopilot with forex trading. Click on this link, sign up, and then you will be on this page, okay? So this is going to show you how I have earned money in the backend without doing anything, okay? So these are all dollar amounts. Now, how you can do, you can withdraw this dollar into USDT in your wallet as in your crypto wallet, whether you use Cash App, Binance, any other crypto wallet which you use, Bybit, whatever, okay? So how do you actually make these dollars? For that, you need to know forex trading, okay? I mean, this is what I do. You might not even have heard about forex trading if you're some newbie, okay? But in case you want to learn more, then you can click on the link, come to this page, watch the videos on this page. It is fully explained how you can get into this industry as well if you want to as a newbie, okay? Because we will be using a robot, a software, which will do the trading on our behalf automatically, okay? And all this money which you see was made by that bot, by the software only. I have done nothing manually in this method, okay? So if you want to know more about it, you can click on the first link, go and check out everything, watch the video, and then you can decide if you want to learn first or you just want to waste your time on the internet searching for free. There's no free way to make money online, okay? I mean, imagine if you are going to start a YouTube channel. People say you can start a YouTube channel for free and make money on YouTube for free, get subscribers, thousands and millions of subscribers and money coming in, rolling in. Yeah, really dreamed come true? Well, let's talk about the cost. When you start a YouTube channel, probably you will come on the camera. So you will need a camera. That camera could be only for $50 or it could be for $5,000 as well, depending on your quality. Okay. So the minimum you will have to buy a camera for 50 bucks, and then you have to buy a headphone, nice piece of, mouthpiece or headphone, whatever. Okay. That will cost you another $50. Okay. There's nothing in this world which is free. If you especially have to start a business online, there will be cost. You might have to make a website. For example, I have a website. If I have to show my, if I have to accept payments online from my customers, I need to have a website that they can pay using the credit card, right? So I have a website that's cost you money every month. Then I have a YouTube channel where I have to have the headphones active. You have to invest in, you have to have a laptop. Okay. So you need to have equipments and everything costs money. You have electricity, I have Wi-Fi, I have to pay my bills. So nothing is free, my friend. So when you are coming on the internet, maybe typing earn USDT for free or whatever you're typing, I don't know, right? But yes, you can earn USDT or any currency. You can provide some service based on your skill. You can make a website for your customer and ask them to pay in USDT. Or if you don't want to do all that, you say, yeah, well, you know what? I don't want to find clients. I can't talk in English, or my communication skills are not good. I'm just a back end person. I can do the job in the back end. In the back end, you could do what I have done. You can click on the first link here, come to this page, see if this method suits you. Otherwise, my recommendation is not to waste your time in searching for free ways to make money online. There's nothing free. You have to breathe. Sometimes you have to have that. Ventilator. When you go to ICU, you can't even breathe for free. The doctor has to put the oxygen thing on your nose, so you can only breathe through that oxygen mask in ICU. You have seen that in the movies, right? So there's nothing free. Even to breathe, sometimes you have to pay. And to keep breathing, you have to keep living. So how do you live? You have to put food in your stomach. To put food in your stomach, it costs money. So if you don't have food in your stomach, you will die in few days. Okay. To keep yourself alive, to keep breathing, you need to pay. There's nothing free. You can't breathe for free. You can't eat for free. That is why you can't make money online for free. You have to grow a skill. Growing a skill takes time plus money as well. Okay. But is it possible to earn USDT or whatever money you want to make? It's certainly possible. If you want to try my method, first link below. And I'll see you in my next video. Subscribe, like, and share the video if you want to, and join my Telegram channel if you want to. But do subscribe and like, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.